If the plumbing in your home isn't working the way it should, whether you have a water leak, a broken water heater, or you just want to upgrade fixtures, it can all be overwhelming and stressful. At Norms, we take the time to properly diagnose the issue, explain what's going on, and fix it the right way. Our plumbers have years of hands-on experience, and we treat your home with the same care that we'd expect in our own. If you have a plumbing issue, simply fill out the form, and we'll take it from there.